What's going on, guys? It's Crazy Dog here, and I just wanted to give you guys a very quick update with a killer deal going on for those of you currently located in the US or the UK. Now, this deal is actually going to net you an almost completely free Google Stadia setup. So not quite this one here. This one is the Founders Edition. This is the one that I bought, of course, before it was released. But anybody currently with a YouTube Premium subscription, you do have to have been a paid-for subscriber since before November 6th. I'm going to have a link in the video description below that you can click on to redeem a free Google Stadia kit. Now, this is good news for a lot of people who don't currently have Google Stadia and might have wanted to try it. Maybe those of you who really wanted a 4K next-gen experience but couldn't either get a pre-order for a next-gen console or didn't have the funds available. Almost free, being that you do have to be a active paid-for subscriber for the $12 YouTube Premium already, means that you're going to get into next-gen gaming at theoretically a $0 cost, given that you had YouTube Premium already. Now, in my region, it's not available being in Canada, but I'm going to update you guys for when and if it does become available in the Canadian region, or if it will just be locked down to both the US and the UK. Now, as exciting as this is for a lot of people that have been wanting to try Google Stadia, or honestly, maybe just want a free first-gen Chromecast or the Stadia controller, I'm sure this is going to upset just as many people who both pre-ordered and paid for the Founders Edition like I did, as well as those who actually went out and paid full value for the kit shortly after release. Had they have waited for the platform to mature, they would have had this opportunity potentially to get into Google Stadia completely free. So I hope that Google sees this. I hope that people talk about this as well to see whether or not existing subscribers like myself might maybe get game credit or some sort of bonus for being a very early adopter, considering that now people who decided to wait this far along may be given the opportunity to get this console or this streaming platform completely free. So let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Do you think this is a smart move, coming out with a free version of Stadia or a way to get the streaming experience / console for free just after the next gen launch? Or do you think it's more a kick in the teeth for those early adopters that had paid money? Let me know your thoughts. Until the next video, guys, my name is Crazy Dog. You guys have been awesome, and we'll catch you all in the next one. Take care.